Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and I am working on a design team project for Kelly's Crafts by Kelly. This is an Etsy shop, and she sells digitals for your junk journals. She has a lot of stuff on her shop, so I would highly advise that you please pop over and see what she has. I'm working on this journal currently. This is the cover. And what I've done is I have altered cracker box like this one and made it into a trifold cover. And then what I've done is I've done a lot of collage, mostly using tissue paper from Tim Holtz, as well as some digitals that I had in my stash. And I have lined the spines with washi tape, and then I've glued them down. And I've also used these. I made some window envelopes using some packaging and window envelope covering. There are going to be two pockets, one at the back, so this might be at the back, and there will be another one at the front, and this will have a string policy envelope type of tie. So probably I will do that later on. And this is the kit that I'm working on. It's called Nature's Bounty. These are the collage pages, and this is a huge kit. It has 30 pages, and as you can see, there are lots of possibilities of working on your own collage items. So I'm sorry, my finger popped in from somewhere. So anyways, I'm working with this, and you can see how I have cut out portions to make pockets and stuff like that. So I will give you a brief view of the journal that I am working on.